Hi students, welcome to Wisdom Learning 10th Mathematics Karnataka Cbse Ncert syllabus. We are discussing about the chapter number 1 real numbers. This is the part 3 of the real number. In this video we are discussing about how to find the LCM and HCF using factorization method. Last day we studied factorization method. Last video we studied about the factorization method. Those who are not see the video, please kindly request to please check the video. Now we are going to write a factorization in tree method. That is one method. This is important for the examination. They are asking the tree method commonly, and we can discuss about the tree method. Okay. Draw a factor tree of 3270, 760. This is the biggest number. So usually we can use factorization tree method. How to do this one? So factorization method we have studied. Factorization method means how to factorize using prime numbers. Similar manner, we can using find the factor of 3260. 32,760. So this is the even number. 32,760 is the even number. Last digit is 0, that is why it is even number. So we can divide it by 0. So we can make it in a box. What is the given number? So which number we are going to divide? Using 2. So this is one branch of the tree that is put in a box. That number is 2. Then what is the result when 32,760 divided by 2? The result is given by keeping in the another branch. This is the another branch. So it is called tree diagram. Tree diagram. Factor tree. This is called as factor tree. So what is getting 16,380? 16,380. Again, the last is 0. We can again divide it by 2 because 2 is a prime factor, prime number. So it is keeping another branch, and put in the another branch we can keep 2. Then when 16,380 divided by 2, what we are getting, that one is keeping in the another box. What we are getting? 8,990. 8,990. So we can notice that again we can go to the even number. So what will do? Again divided by 2. So this is writing in a factor. Then when 88,190 divided by 2, what is our answer? What will get? We can get 4,095. So we notice that it is not an even number. The last number is 5. So it is divided by 5. So we can divide by which number? 5. Up to this time we are divided by 2. So right is a 2 is a separate here, and here what is here doing? Dividing by 5. So 4,095 when divided by 5, we are getting 1,365. 1,365. Correct? Then again this is the last digit is 5. So we can divide it by 5. Divided by 5. We can get another result. When we divide by 1,365 by 5, we are getting 455. So because of the lack of space, I am writing here 4,055. Okay. Then this is the last number is 5. So we are again divided by 5. Again divided by 5. Then we are getting 495. 555 divided by 5 is equal to 91. What is this? 91 is the specialty number, the product of the two sorry, prime number, that is we can divide by 7. What is getting, when 91 divided by 7, we are getting the answer is equal to 13. Sorry. So 13 is the prime number. So factorization we can write what is this, 32,760 is equal to, how many 2's? 2. That is equal to 2 raised to 3 into, how many 5's? 2 5. That is equal to, sorry, 3 5's. 5 raised to 3. 5 raised to 3 into, then what is next to 7 into 13. 4 days. This is the finding the factors using factor tree. Now they are asking sometime the 4,900 instead of 1365, suppose it is not given, find the value of this. They are giving sometime x, sometime y. What is getting, so what is getting, the method is 2. One method we can divide it. Here I am writing x is equal to x. What is x? X is the number inside the box. They are giving the question, one box is keep at a blank or keep at x or y or a or b, find the value of x. For finding this 1365, we want to find the value of this one. For getting this one method is equal to, what is getting, we can divide it by 4095 divided by 5. So what is getting the answer? That is another method is secondary method. I am writing here, that is this, you have to multiply these two, that is 5 into 455. So both answer is correct. You can find any method for finding x and y. Clear or not clear? Okay. Then next question saying, find LCM and HCM of 6 and 20 by the factorization method. So we can write 6 as, how to write the 6? 6 is equal to 2 into 3. The prime factorization of 6 is equal to 2 into 3. 20. 20 is equal to, what is getting, we know 4 into 5 is equal to 20. 4 is not a prime number. So instead of 4, we can write 2 square into, 2 square is equal to 4 into 5. Then what is LCM? LCM is highest power. LCM, what is the LCM? Highest power of the factors. Highest power of the factor. Greatest power. Greatest power of factors. Prime factors. Prime factors. That is equal to. Here what are the numbers are there? 2 have, 3 have, 5 have. The highest factor of 2 is equal to 2 square into 3. 3 is only 1 is there. The highest factor is equal to 3 raised to 1. That is equal to 3 into 5. That is equal to 5 3s are 15. 15 into 4 is equal to now 60. The highest, greatest power or highest power of the prime factor is equal to LCM. Then what is HCF? What is HCF? Smallest, greatest power LCM means the HCF is equal to smallest power. That is the difference is there. Smallest power of common factors. But the LCM is the greatest power of all prime factors, but HCF is the smallest power of common factor. Here common factor have, which is the common factor? That is equal to only one common factor, that is 2. So answer is equal to 2. Answer is equal to 2. For example, another one question I am giving, let P is equal to x square y, x square into y square into z square. and Q is the P and Q are the prime numbers. X, Y, Z are the cofactors, prime factorization. Q is equal to X, Y, Z. So X into Y into Z, P is equal to X square, Y square is equal to LCM of P and Q. LCM of P and Q. LCM of P and Q is equal to, what is the P and Q? P is the highest power. So the highest power of X is equal to X square into Y square into Z square. Then HCF of PQ. What is PQ? That is equal to smallest power of common multiple. So X is Y, X, Y, Z are common. The smallest power is equal to X, Y, and Z. Clear or not clear? Everything clear? We can discussing about the next exercise problem. We are discussing more. Next problem. Find the LCM and HCF. HCF of 6, 72 and 120. Here three numbers are here. So we can write 6, we know that easily we can write 6 is equal to 2 into 3. Then 72 we have to find by factorization method. 72 divided by 2, 36. Again 36 is the even number, 2, that is equal to 18. 18 is the even number, that is equal to divided by 2, 9. Again 9 is divided by 3 by 3. So 72 we can write 2 raised to 3 into 3 square. Clear? Then 120. So we can find the factors of 120. 2 120 divided by 60. Again this is even number. Again divided by 2, 30. Again divided by 2, 15. 15 is the odd number and ending with 5. So it is easily divisible by 5. 5, 3 are 50. 3 is the prime number. So 120 we can write 2 raised to 3 into 5 into 3. Find LCM. LCM, what is LCM? LCM of 6, 72, 120. LCM of 3 number. What is the LCM of 3 number? LCM is highest power of all factors. So what is the first number? 2. 2 is highest power is equal to 2 raised to 3 into next 3. 3 highest power 3 square. Next 5. 5 highest power 1. That is equal to 2 raised to 3 is equal to 8. 8 3 square is equal to 9 into 5. 8 5s are 40. 40 into 9, that is equal to 360. That is equal to 360. That is the LCM. Then what is HCF? HCF of 6, 72, 120. What I told, HCF is the smallest power of common factors. Which is the common factor? 2 is, and all three numbers having the 2 as the factor, which is the smallest factor have power, that is equal to 1, that is equal to 2 into. Then 3 is also a common factor. Then 3 is the lowest power, lowest power is equal to 3. Then 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Clear? So LCM is equal to 360 and HCF is equal to 6. Understand? I think you are clear about this one. Last question. Find the HCF of 96 and 404 by prime factorization method. Hence find their LCM. That means you find the HCF of the two numbers. Using that result, we have to find the LCM. For finding LCM, not use the prime factorization. That is the question meaning. Hence, there find their LCM means using the HCF and numbers, what are the result we have? Using that result, that data, you have to find the value of LCM. Whatever it is, we can find the factorization of 96. Okay, let us see. 96 we can factorize. Divided by 2, that is equal to 48. Next, divided by 2, 24, again 2. What is getting? 12, next 2, 6, again 2, 3. What is the 96 factorized prime factorization? 2 how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. 2 raised to 5 into 3. Then 404 is equal to, we can divide 404 divided by 2 because the even number. 202, again 2, 101. What is the specialty of 101? 101 is a prime number. So we can write 404 is equal to 2 square into 101. Then what is HCF? HCF of 96, 404 is equal to lowest power. The common number is 2. The lowest power is equal to 2 square is equal to 4. So we have the data as 96 a number, 404 is the number, and HCF. Using these data, we have to find LCM without using prime factorization. Then the one relation between LCM and HCF is the product of LCM and HCF is equal to the product of numbers. The A and B is the number, suppose. Else the product of LCM and HCF is equal to A into B. This is possible only for two numbers. That is the answer. Okay, not for three numbers, only for two numbers. Then product of LCM and HCF is equal to product of the numbers. Then LCM we don't know, so we can write LCM into HCF. What we are putting 4 is equal to, what is A? 96 into what is 404? B is equal to 404. Then LCM is equal to 96 into 404 divided by, okay, then 4 into 404, 10 4s are 40, 101 is equal to that. What is the LCM? 101 into 96. What is the answer? 6 0 6 9 0 9. 6 9 6 9. The final answer is equal to 9696. Clear? This is the way to finding the LCM using the data. So don't forget, this is the most important relation, that is LCM into HCF is equal to the product of numbers, two numbers. Clear? Today this video is winding up. Next video we are doing the exercise 1 by 1, 1.1, 1 by 1 problem. If you are interested in the video, you are understanding some problem, then like and share and subscribe to my channel, and thank you one another.